Assalamualaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Akib Shizad. Today, I am going to tell you about the Chinese government scholarship program for the year of 2022. So, start your study adventure with the most prestigious and sought after CSC Scholarship 2022 to 2023. Chinese government scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students. This scholarship is available for undergraduate, master and PhD studies at more than 280 Chinese universities. Chinese government scholarship 2022 covers accommodations, basic health insurance and monthly allowance up to 3,500 yuan. This scholarship in turn to promote education, culture, trade, exchanges in education and politics, cooperation and mutual understanding between other countries and China. International students from all world countries are eligible to apply. Chinese government scholarships require online application submission at CSC portal. After that, the candidate should apply to the selected university and send the required documents to the university along with CSC scholarship application form. Eligibility requirement of CSC Scholarship 2022. International students not being a Chinese citizen, not be in possession of another scholarship issued by the Chinese government or any of its delegation. Minimum age requirement. Undergraduate students must not be more than 25 years old. For master degree age limit is 35 years and for PhD degree age limit is 40 years. Minimum qualification. Higher secondary school certification or equivalent for undergraduate students and bachelor degree for the master degree and master degree for the doctoral degree. CSC scholarship benefits. Type A. There are three mainly categories: Type A, Type B and Type C. Type A category is CSC scholarship covers registration fees, accommodations in a university residence in a shared room with another person, and basic medical insurance and a monthly allowance for personal expenses between 2,500 to 3,500 yuan per month, approximately 350 and 500 USD respectively. And the Type B is CSC scholarship covers the same as the Type A scholarship except for the monthly allowance for personal expenses. CSC scholarship is another type of partial scholarship with later benefits. So there are three types. You can check your eligibility criteria and then apply Type A, Type B or Type C category. How to apply for CSC Scholarship 2022? The application period. The application period for CSC Scholarship is generally from January to April of each year. Some authorized agencies or universities have different deadlines. You should check the deadline of university of your choice. The application for CSC Scholarship must first be completed online in English or Chinese. You can apply for 3 universities with this CSC portal account. So you have 3 choices to apply in Chinese university through CSC portal. At the beginning of the online application form, you will be asked to choose the type of a scholarship according to its funding A, B or C, and the number of authorized agency or university or code. Once you have completed all the information in the online application for Chinese government scholarship, you must attach the required documents in PDF format. After submission of your online Chinese government scholarship application, you download this application form and select the Chinese university and course here. If that university requires an online application, then submit this application on that university's website and attach your Chinese government scholarship application. So different university demanding different criteria. Some university demand online application form and some university also demand to send hard copies of the documents. Make 2 sets of documents and dispatch it to the university address. So make 2 sets of documents and dispatch it to the university address. So it's depend upon the university, which university you are applying. So must check all the eligibility criteria before applying the university. The result will be made public on the same page of the application as of the mid of July. From that moment, the entities began to distribute by post the necessary documentation to process and the study within the country of origin of the candidate. The required documents for CSC scholarship: your notary attested highest degree and transcript, official medical form or foreign physical examination form. You must attach a copy of this form filled out by a doctor. Make sure the form is signed by the doctor and that it has an official seal of the hospital or medical center where you do it. At least one stamp must be stamped on the top of the previously attached card. Photograph form older than 6 months from the date of application are not accepted. So your medical form are only valid for 6 months. Your CV written in English or Chinese and 2 letters of recommendation, IELTS or TOEFL or your English proficiency certificate. So it's depend upon university in which university you want to apply. Your study plan and research proposal and a passport copy and Another important but not essential requirement is acceptance letter issued by professor of a Chinese university. So you can contact the Chinese university professor by asking them to accept yourself in studying in study that university. So this is a plus point. So if you get that acceptance letter from a Chinese university professor, then your rate of acceptance CSC scholarship is increase. And other documents. If you have research publication or any other distinction, you must attach them. If any particular university require an application screening or any application process fee, then submit it, print its receipt and attach it to the two sets of your documents listed above. In maximum universities you can apply free of cost, but in some universities they have some application fee. So guys, after that, go to the official page of the Chinese government scholarship. So if you so first of all, you have to create your account. You have to put your username, your email address, your password and confirm password, then submit it. And they will send you an email address to verify your account. As I already make my account, so I'm going to log in. So this is my application portal. I'm applying through application online. Go to application online. So application, so I'm applying to type B scholarship program. So go to my application. As I apply in a University of Science and Technology of China, so I can add a new application. You have three choices. You can select almost 3 universities through CSC Scholarship program. So you have to put the agency number here, the university. So you have to put here your agency number. You can check the agency number of Chinese university on Google. After putting your agency number, you can Chinese proficiency and apply as. You have to upload the supporting documents that are your ID photo, your certificate of highest education, notarized copy and transcript of highest education notarized copy, your study plan, reference 1 and reference 2, your passport homepage, your physical examination record for fun. You can download the form of physical exam on Google, and other supporting documents on English language proficiency and Chinese language if you have only, and non-criminal record report. So you have to also upload your non-criminal record from your police department, and this is also valid for 6 months, and then simply submit it. So guys, this is the whole process for applying in CSC scholarship program. This is very good opportunity. You have 3 choices and you can select almost 3 universities. Subscribe my channel for my further coming videos for international scholarship, all exchange program or all internship program. Thank you so much guys, and also share this prestigious information and scholarship, and I will meet you in my next upcoming video. Thank you so much guys, take care, Allah Hafiz.